Welcome to Cloud AI. Here's how to use ChatGPT to create charts or visuals with no coding experience. Firstly, ask GPT to write you a Python script and specify what type of chart you want, where to pull the data from, for example from a file on your computer or from a URL. The more specific you are, the better. It will output code for you to copy. Run the code in an IDE like PyCharm, which is free to download online by copy-pasting the code and hitting the play button in the top right corner. Copy-paste any error messages you have back into ChatGPT. The AI will rewrite the script with the fixes implemented. Continue this step until you no longer have errors. Once you have run the patched script successfully, you can ask it to make any additional changes to fine-tune the chart or visual. And there you have it. You have a chart created in Python, with no coding ability, thanks to artificial intelligence. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to this channel.